Hello everyone, and welcome back to Tech for Boost. If you're looking for a lightweight, optimized version of Windows that's designed to improve performance while giving you different customization options, then today's video is for you. In this video, we're taking a look at AtomOS, a collection of custom Windows builds available for both Windows 10 and Windows 11. AtomOS offers several editions, allowing users to choose the level of optimization that best matches their needs, whether they prefer a minimal installation or a feature-rich experience. We'll go through the installation process, take a first look at the desktop, measure the idle RAM usage, CPU usage, installed storage size, and explore the features included in this build. I'll also share my honest opinion on its overall responsiveness and daily usability. One of the interesting things about AtomOS is that it offers multiple editions instead of a single build. Depending on your requirements, you can choose a tiny build, a light build, a standard build, or the ultimate build, each offering a different balance between features and optimization. If you enjoy Windows Lite reviews, custom operating systems, and Windows optimization content, consider subscribing to Tech for Boost. Now, let's install AtomOS and see how it performs. If you'd like to download AtomOS, the process is simple. First, open the official AtomOS website. You can find the link in the pinned comment or in the video description. Once you're on the website, scroll down the page or simply click the Download Build button to jump directly to the Download section. Next, choose the Windows version you want. You can select either Windows 10 or Windows 11, depending on your preference. After selecting your Windows version, you'll see several available editions: Tiny Build, Light Build, Standard Build, Ultimate Build. Each edition is designed for different users. The Tiny and Light builds focus on reducing system resources, while the Standard build provides a more complete Windows experience. Please note that the Ultimate build is a premium edition, which means you'll need to purchase it from the AtomOS website to access it. Choose the edition that best fits your needs. Follow the download instructions, and you're ready to install AtomOS. All download links are available in the pinned comment and the video description below.
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star. Didn't even get to cross. I said I'm moving too far. Get to glass. Looking at a shooting star. Got more than a couple of people going mad. I swear they're rooting hard. Tell them I be big in the game like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too fast. Didn't even get to glance. I'm ready to eat up track like I'm seated in a restaurant. If you had swag like mine, you know it's best to flaunt. We aren't hating because you aren't. Shining like it's neon. Rock like kings of Leon. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, them amateurs have to leave. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, them amateurs have to leave. Yeah, shoot. Shooting, shooting. Shooting shots. Shooting stars. Didn't even get to bronze. I said I'm moving too far.